Hi, it's Michelle from the Salty Spirit, and today we're going to learn how to wire wrap a sea glass pendant. Get your favorite piece of sea glass. You don't need to have a hole drilled into it, just some wire. I use 20 gauge gold colored wire. You can have, it doesn't matter what color you use. 20 gauge is the best size wire to work with. A few tools, you just need your needle nose pliers, some wire cutters, and flat nose pliers. And we're ready. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to wire wrap a piece of sea glass. Here's our sea glass without any hole drilled or pre-drilled. Okay, so it makes it really easy. I'm actually going to start with using a pencil just so that the bail is nice and big. The bail is the part where the chain goes through. So I'm going to take this piece of wire. This is just a gold colored piece of jewelry wire. I pre-cut it so it's about 16 inches, 16 to 18 inches. And I'm going to take the pencil and place it right down the center of the wire. Okay, and I'm going to bring it together like so. Okay, now I am going to pinch, nice and snuggly there, pinch and twist. And you're just going to keep twisting probably 5 or 6 times. Okay, so it's coming down, the twisty part. Give it one more twist for good measure. Okay, I'm going to slide it off. So that part is basically the bail. That is where the chain is going to go through. All right, I'm going to get my piece of sea glass, beautiful piece of sea glass. And whatever side that you want the front to show, the prettier side, whatever side that is, you're placing the wire behind. Okay, and you're going to hold it flush against the back part. Okay, and the back part, so the wire, you want to start wrapping about 1/4 way down. Okay, so you're holding it really tight with your fingers, and then you're just going to start to wrap one side at a time, or one piece of wire at a time. Just make sure that stays center. Wrap it around. You're the artist here, whatever design you want to do. Okay, and then the other side I'm going to wrap around again and again. Now you always want to be able to keep maybe 1.5 inches or so on each wire, because you want to start wrapping it around the base of that loop, of that bail. So we wrap around, and then the other side we wrap around and wrap around. So you're going to take your wire cutters and cut those 2 little pieces that are sticking out. That is my cat crying for attention. There we go. Okay, you're going to take your flat nose pliers and you're just going to press those sharp edges into the base so that they don't stick out. And there you have your pretty wire wrap pendant. That is really, really gorgeous. And you're just going to loop any kind of chain or cord through that big loop. Really pretty. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. There is more to come. I'll see you next time.